Welcome back to another video. I'm going to cover POPCAT and BOME, meme in the same video, right? And what I can see at the moment is that there's a good potential for this to go much lower, right? That move that happened right after I posted that video yesterday basically reversed completely. And that to me just simply looks like it was the end of a wave two, right? We came down and broke this low, and that's telling me whatever this is, it's probably going to be wave three, right? It can't be a zigzag. The C wave is too long. This drop now kind of sort of confirms that, yes, we are going down. I shorted with a stop above this level right here, right? I see an A, B, C, D, E pattern right there, and then we did drop down. I think this will continue lower. So basically what I'm doing here is using this as a guide to see what Bitcoin is doing, underlying uh, the price action, right? So in relation to Book of Meme, it's actually very interesting the pattern that happened basically with the zigzag up, right? Hang on, let me just get into this now. Right. So what I believe could be the key to this, what's going on here as well, is basically when you get corrections, sometimes they take the form of a zigzag, right? So yes, this could be wave one up here. This a wave A, but sometimes you get a giant zigzag in the shape, basically in the with A and E being the long parts of the move, right? And after seeing this zigzag pattern develop, I realized that sorry, I didn't change the labeling here. Basically, this is probably going to produce some kind of long E wave down, right? And that could be the end of wave two. So being such a young coin and not having many patterns here, I'm assuming that that would be wave two, right? So this being an A, B, C, D, right? We never broke above. Okay, we did break above what I perceived to be previously the wave D, right? But instead of being a wave D back here, it was more than likely this move that we're looking at the highs. Now, you might assume, if you want to assume, that this move here was a complete wave E, right? But it doesn't look like it. It looks like we had a bit of a bounce off, the 200, 1000 period moving averages as a bit of support there. But I really think there's a good chance that this E wave is going to be long, right? All the other waves kind of check out there. That zigzag right there is a very interesting clue as to what's coming. And yeah, this probably will continue much lower. So as a gauge as to what Bitcoin's doing, I would say it will too move lower. So this is interesting. I suppose I'll cover the Bitcoin chart quickly just so we can have a look at where that is. Right. So we've been stuck in this range for a bit, right? And to me, this kind of tells me that it's going to go lower. I do see a 1 2 1 2 forming here. So potentially we could be very close to seeing this thing reverse as well, right? And reverse in a wave 3 of a 5-wave move down, right? At this stage, it could be a top, but we don't really know. It might turn out to be just the first part of a zigzag, right? There's just no telling at the moment. But a clue as to what's going on with those other meme coins, yeah, I'd say watch out, be careful, be cautious, and I'll catch you in the next one.